game lighting, customizable prismatic LEDs, custom color hues, blue, pink, white, purple, green, red, and more, 4 different light modes, and see-through electronics controller. Wired compatibility. Officially licensed by Microsoft for Xbox Series X, Xbox One, Windows 10, PC, laptop gaming rig computer or Steam via USB. Customizable ergonomic controller. Use the free PDP Control Hub app to remap gamepad buttons, reconfigure triggers, dual rumble motors more. Chat with your team via the 3.5mm audio jack. Adjust volume on the fly with audio controls on the D-pad. Next-gen gaming. Perfect for top FPS games, Halo Infinite, Fortnite, Call of Duty, COD, Modern Warfare, Black Ops, Overwatch, Rainbow Six, Apex Legends, RPG, MOBA or adventure games, Diablo, League of Legends, Minecraft. Thoughtful gift. Perfect for gamers, holidays, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, Father's Day gift. Great educational gift for kids interested in science or engineering. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome controller. The controller is very comfortable in my hands playing my Xbox. I recommend this controller to anyone.